Today we decided to do some tummy time, didn't we? She seems to like it, okay? Don't ya? Are you gonna smile? Whoa, that was a good one. You can lift your head up high. Oh. Are you going to eat the blanket now? Should we go for a walk with Lisa here in a minute? Look at you. You can lift your head up. Good. Now you're turning the wrong way and we can't see your cute little face. We can look at all your hair in the back. Okay. Mom's old. She has a hard time getting off the floor. Okay, now we're back on this side and we can see you again. I think we should get dressed, or me, you already have your outfit on, and then go for a small walk with Liesl. She would really like that. And I also need to take a shower when you take your next nap. Guess who's coming today? My friend Herbert, and we're going to get your picture taken. Doesn't that sound fun? I hope you behave and aren't crying the whole time. Okay. Say bye. Bye-bye.